Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. As you can see, we're going to braid all the pearls together and we are using this nylon thread and make one side of the bag. Similarly, we're going to make the handle and look how beautiful this is looking. We're using this nylon thread as this is very strong. Now braid all of them together, put all the pearls and make the handle and bag. You can also put a cloth inside and it's done. We're going to cut the tire from the cardboard and cover them using this yarn, and look, these are ready. After this, we're also making a basket shape and paste the wires on the side of it. Similarly, we are going to make the handle, and look, your beautiful tricycle craft work is ready. We're going to cut a heart shape. Now we're going to cover it using this yarn and make 4 such shapes. After this, we're going to make the frills as well. So roll the yarn around the cardboard and cut it and tie it on the top. Cut the extra parts and then we're going to put all the heart shapes together, and look, your hanging is ready. We are using this bottle cap and then put it on the top of this craft paper. Roll the thread around it and give it shape of the hat. Cut the extra part, paste a bow, and look, your beautiful hat is ready. We're going to put the beads inside the wire, twist them and give it shape of this beautiful flower. Now make more such flowers and then put it in a vase, and look how pretty this is looking. Roll the yarn around 2 fingers, tie it at the center using the wire and comb it and untangle the thread. Make more such flowers and combine them together using floral tape, and look, it's ready. We are going to cover the ring using this purple color of yarn and make a star shape at the center. After this, we're going to make this leaf frill design, cut it from the sides and combine them together, and look, your hanging is ready. We're going to roll the green color of yarn and we're going to cut it. After this, make small pieces and roll it around this cardboard or paper piece. Tie a knot at the top and cut the extra part, and look, your mini cap is ready for the snowman. We're going to roll the ribbon and cut it and make small pieces and untangle the thread. After this, we're going to paste it around the stick. Look how we are doing here. Roll it like this. Cover it using the floral tape, and look, it is ready. We're going to cut these small pieces and roll it like we're doing here. Curve the petals, paste the leaves using floral tape, and look, your flower sticks are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.